Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, I am so excited. I am part of a collaboration called Love Corner Collab. So we have so many talented YouTube creators that have gathered together to do this collaboration. And I'm like really excited. So it is a closed collab and there is a giveaway. So now the creator that's hosting the giveaway, I hope I'm saying this right, is Miguel Blissful Amongst Women. So let's jump into the video and have some fun because I can't wait. Now what I decided to create for this collaboration was a heart. I decided to do a wall decor piece and a centerpiece, and I am so happy about this. I am using white and gold and with a pop of red. So what I am starting to do here, not just for the heart, but for all of the pieces involved, I'm going to go ahead and give everything a coat of white paint. For each of the three pieces, I decided to go back in with the white paint and just go a little bit heavier. And then go ahead and lay this heart tissue paper that I purchased from the Dollar Tree along with these other items. So I'm going to list that below. Okay, now after the thick layer of paint, I went ahead and I laid that tissue paper down and tried to flatten that out as best as I could. And once you do that, you want to cut around it. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and apply the Mod Podge to seal that in. And that's what I'm doing here. So I'm not sure if I mentioned that I'm going to be doing this process to all three pieces. Now I'm finishing up with this Mod Podge, and then the pieces are going to need to sit there until they fully dry before we continue working. So we may as well go ahead and start with the embellishments. Okay, now those love signs and also those hearts I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So what I'm doing here is applying Mod Podge to all of those pieces because we're going to go ahead and apply some glitter. So what I have to do here is also leave those glitter pieces to dry, and then we have to go back in and seal it in with the Mod Podge so we don't have any fallout. So we are going to be making these bows, and in the center of them I'm going to embellish them with some roses. So that's what I'm doing here. So I am using these clear stickers shaped like a heart. I purchased that at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to scatter that around the heart and then the square wall decor piece. So that's what I'm doing here, and then we're just going to start the gluing process. Okay, so we're going to put aside that wall decor piece and then bring over the long wooden piece that I'm going to use as a centerpiece. And then we're going to be using these gold glasses. I sprayed those in metallic gold. We're going to be gluing those in the centerpiece. Now we're going to be using a permanent adhesive when we're gluing this down because we don't want anything to fall apart. I'm using the Beacon 527 glue that I purchased at Walmart, but you can use whatever adhesive that you're comfortable with. Remember that when you use one, you need to be in a well-ventilated area, and you also need to allow 24 to 48 hours for that to cure. So we're going to add that glue, and then we're also going to add the hot glue for an instant stick so I can continue working. I am so excited about this centerpiece. So I took one of the little wooden cubes and I glued that in the center toward the back between the two glasses. And then we're going to glue that love sign to the cube so that it's standing upright. And then we're going to use that little bird that I got over by where the florals are, and I thought it was so adorable. We're going to glue that in the middle of both the glasses, and then we're going to use those red roses and glue one on each side, and that's going to be our little pop of color. I do want to take a moment and thank all of the hostesses, all of these wonderful YouTube creators, and for this collaboration. I really had a good time. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day. Oh, and don't forget to head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody created for this collab. Have an awesome day, guys. Now here is the reveal of the 3 pieces.